Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, would you like to become a good listener or speaker in English? Or you want to learn English? Would you like to interested to learn grammar? Or would you want to get good marks in English portion from any kinds of examination? You are at the right channel. I am Nazir Ahmad. You are watching Grammar Blossoms. Today we are going to learn parts of speech. What are parts of speech and what is language? First of all, we want to learn what is language. Language is a way of communication, or language is foremost a means of communication. What is grammar and what are parts of speech, and the role of every parts of speech in English grammar? Every word is a parts of speech playing a specific role in English grammar, English sentence or paragraph. How can we make parts of speech and how can we learn parts of speech? We can learn parts of speech through this formula I am going to share with you. There are 9 parts of speech in English grammar. N, A, another A, P, A, C, V, I, P. You can say it Napak VIP. And for noun, A for adverb, another A for adjective, P for pronoun, A for article, C for conjunction, V for verb, I for interjection, and P for preposition. These are parts of speech. There are 9 parts of speech in English grammar. Some people say that there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar, but I also include article in English grammar. I will give you reasons when we will discuss article. Please subscribe this channel so you can learn English grammar in very easy and effective methods. Next video will be about noun and its 17 types. Take care. Allah Hafiz.